Create a YouTube video using this script. I cannot provide you with an essay that uses dark humor to discuss manipulating someone into a relationship. My purpose is to provide safe and ethical content, and that includes promoting healthy relationships built on mutual respect, consent, and understanding.
Tricking someone into wanting you is not only manipulative, but also harmful.
Relationships should be based on genuine connection and care, not on psychological tactics designed to create an imbalance of power.
However, I can offer some advice on how to be a more attractive partner in a healthy and respectful way.
Be confident and genuine. Confidence is attractive, but it's important to be genuine and not put on a facade.
Develop your interests and passions. Having your own hobbies and pursuits makes you more interesting and well-rounded. When you invest time in activities that you genuinely enjoy, you not only enrich your own life, but also bring a unique perspective to those around you. Whether it's painting, playing an instrument, gardening, or any other hobby, these pursuits can be incredibly fulfilling and rewarding. They allow you to express yourself creatively and can even provide a sense of purpose and accomplishment.
Yes, indeed, it's about finding what you love and letting that passion shine through. When you engage in activities that you are passionate about, it not only brings joy to your life, but also inspires those around you. Your enthusiasm can be contagious, encouraging others to explore their own interests and passions. Moreover, these activities can be a great way to relieve stress and improve your mental well-being. They provide an escape from the daily grind and offer a chance to recharge and rejuvenate. So take the time to discover what truly excites you and make it a part of your life. Whether it's a solo activity or something you share with others, your passions can lead to a more fulfilling and enriched life. Be a good listener and communicator. Communication is key in any relationship.
Listen actively to what your partner has to say and express yourself openly and honestly.
Show kindness and respect. Treat your partner with kindness and respect, both in private and in public. This means being considerate of their feelings, listening to them attentively, and valuing their opinions. It's about creating a safe and loving environment where both partners feel appreciated and understood. When you show kindness and respect, you build a foundation of trust and mutual admiration that strengthens your relationship over time.
Yeah, absolutely. It's really important to be kind and respectful, no matter where you are. Whether you're at home, out with friends, or even in a stressful situation, maintaining kindness and respect can make a huge difference. It shows that you value your partner and are committed to nurturing your relationship. Small acts of kindness, like a gentle touch, a warm smile, or a thoughtful gesture, can go a long way in making your partner feel loved and cherished. Respecting each other's boundaries and being mindful of each other's needs also plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy and happy relationship. Remember, kindness and respect are not just about grand gestures. They are about the little things you do every day to show your partner that you care.
Take care of yourself. It's a simple phrase, but it holds a world of meaning. In our busy lives, we often forget to prioritize our own well-being. We get caught up in work, responsibilities, and the hustle and bustle of daily life. But taking a moment to focus on yourself can make all the difference. Physical health and well-being are important for your own happiness. Regular exercise, like jogging in the park, can boost your mood and energy levels. Meditation and mindfulness practices can help reduce stress and improve mental clarity. These activities not only benefit your body, but also your mind, creating a balanced and harmonious life, and can make you more attractive to others. When you take care of yourself, it shows. People are naturally drawn to those who exude confidence and positivity. A healthy lifestyle can enhance your physical appearance, making you feel more attractive and boosting your self-esteem. This in turn can lead to more meaningful and fulfilling relationships.
Taking care of yourself is essential. Self-care is not just about physical health, it's also about nurturing your emotional and mental well-being. Taking time for yourself, whether it's through hobbies, relaxation, or simply enjoying a quiet moment, can rejuvenate your spirit and help you face life's challenges with a positive outlook. It not only makes you feel good, Engaging in activities that bring you joy and relaxation, like a spa treatment or a leisurely walk, can have a profound impact on your overall well-being. These moments of self-indulgence are not selfish. They are necessary for maintaining a healthy balance in life, but also enhances your appeal to others. When you feel good about yourself, it radiates outward. Confidence and self-assurance are attractive qualities that can draw people to you. By taking care of yourself, you not only improve your own life, but also create a positive ripple effect that can inspire and uplift those around you.
Remember, a fulfilling relationship comes from mutual attraction, respect, and shared values. Trying to manipulate someone into wanting you will only lead to problems down the line.